In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the Workspace MCP with any coding agent. And for this demo, we're going to utilize Claude. Basically, we're going to show that Claude can have access to the data from your dashboard. So the first thing to do is to click in this hamburger here and go into MCP Companion. In this case, we want to have an endpoint connected of the Workspace MCP, and we're going to create a new token. That new token, we're going to call it demo for the purpose of this demo. We're going to generate the token. And here you have how you can add it to the different agents, and also if you want to do it via prompt. In this case, I'm going to do it via Claude. I'm going to copy this code. Actually, let me close this. I'm going to paste it here. And now we're going to open Claude again. Let's go on to MCP. And we should be able to see OpenBB. There you go. So you can actually see that we have a get workspace snapshot, get widget data, list available widgets, and all the others. But let's see if it works. Now it's connected. You will see that you have the connection. Close it. This green here means that it's connected and active. And I can say, what can you see in the OpenBB dashboard? Yep, it's calling one of the endpoints, and it's telling me that it's looking at the New York Fed dashboard and all of the different tabs. Perfect. And now let's test adding a widget. Add a markdown note widget to the current tab saying, hello, Didier. Okay, perfect. And this concludes the demo. I hope you enjoyed this new feature.